Once upon a time, on a bright sunny day, a family decided to spend a day at the seaside. They packed their picnic basket with sandwiches, fruits and juice, and set off early in the morning. As they arrived at the beach, the children excitedly ran towards the water, laughing and splashing each other. The parents spread out a blanket on the sand and set up umbrellas to shade themselves from the sun. The father took out a kite from the bag and started flying it high in the sky. The children cheered as they watched the colorful kite dance in the breeze. Meanwhile, the mother took a stroll along the shore, collecting seashells and listening to the sound of the waves. After playing in the water for some time, the family sat down to enjoy their picnic lunch. They shared stories and laughter as they ate, enjoying the fresh sea air and the beautiful view of the ocean. As the day drew to a close, the family packed up their belongings and began their journey back home. With sandy feet and happy memories, they waved goodbye to the seaside, already looking forward to their next adventure.